Thank you for joining me for another circle time. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Thanks for doing that. Now, let's do our circle time. We'll start with our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, let's do our months of the year dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Now it's time to count our days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today is number 7. It is Tuesday, April 7th. Okay, friends, I thought we would sing one of our favorite circle time songs today. So let's do Slippery Fish. Slippery fish, swimming in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a octopus, octopus, swiggling in the water. Octopus, octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a tuna fish, splashing in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, 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 gulp. Oh, excuse me. Okay, friends, thank you for joining me for circle time today. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for play.